productive girl thing to do to avoid scrolling on your phone. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Glow Up Guide. In this video, we are talking about some super fun and productive things you can do in your free time to avoid getting lost in endless scrolling on your phone. We all know how easy it is to get sucked into our screens, either mobile, laptop, or tab. Also, finding ourselves scrolling over and over to our phone, opening different social media applications, and we don't realize that it is taking too much of our time. But doing this too much can have a negative effects on our health and appearance. There are so many awesome activities out there that can help you stay engaged, creative, and even a bit more productive. Let's dive into the video! First, we talk about on personal development. Step 1. Read a book. Choose a book that you enjoy after reading, whether it's fiction, self-help, or educational. Step 2. Learn a new skill. Take online courses on platforms like Coursera, Udemy, or Khan Academy to learn something new. That helps you to divert your mind. Step 3. Journaling. Write about your thoughts, goals, or daily experiences. This can help you reflect and grow. Step 4. Study a language. Use language learning apps like Duolingo or Rosetta Stone to learn a new language. That helps you to improve your communication skills, also build your confidence level. Next, we talk about on physical activities. Step 1, exercise, follow workout videos, go for a run, practice yoga, or join a fitness class. These activities helps you to stay fit and healthy. Step 2, outdoor activities, take a walk, hike, bike ride, or simply spend time in nature. Also, outdoor activities help you out to feel fresh and relax your mind. Step 3, dance. Put on your favorite music and dance around your room. Now we talk about on organizational tasks. Step 1, clean and organize. Tidy up your room, organize your closet, or declutter your workspace. Step 2, plan and schedule. Plan your week, set goals, or create a to-do list to stay organized. Now we talk about on creative activities. DIY friendship bracelets. Making colorful bracelets using embroidery floss. These make great gifts and fun to create different items. Supplies that we need to make embroidery friendship bracelets. Embroidery floss, scissors, and tape. DIY scrunchies. Make your own colorful scrunchies by using colorful fabrics. They are easy to make and perfect for accessorizing your hair or giving as gifts to friend. Supplies that we need to make scrunchies, fabric, elastic, sewing machine, knitting cute items, knit scarves, hats, or small stuffed animals. It is a cozy activity that produces adorable handmade items. Supplies that we need: knitting needles, yarn, and patterns. Watercolor painting. Explore watercolor techniques to create beautiful paintings. Start with simple landscapes or abstract designs. Supplies that we need: watercolor, paints, brushes, and watercolor paper. Social and community activities. Connect with loved ones. Spend quality time with family or friends, either in person or through a video call. Mindfulness and relaxation. Meditate. Practice meditation or mindfulness exercises to relax and center yourself. Take a bath. Enjoy a relaxing bath with candles and soothing music. Now we talk about on intellectual activities. Puzzle and games. Engage in puzzles, board games, or brain games that challenge your mind. Now talk about on practical skills. Cooking and baking. Try new recipes and experiment in the kitchen. That skill helps you to improve your cooking skills. Gardening. Start a small garden or take care of indoor plants. By incorporating these activities into your routine, you can make better use of your time and avoid the endless scroll on your phone. If you enjoy my content, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching!